we are celebrating this for Queen being in throne for 70 years. Thinking about her work doing for different communities, how she has brought everyone together and respecting everyone. This is just good example to see it here, that so many people supporting her. Doesn't matter from where you are in UK and you love your queen.
Well, it was very exhilarating, a once-in-a-lifetime experience, especially when we actually got to see the Queen come out on the balcony. That was just, everyone around me was crying, especially singing the anthem, and it was unreal, and so fortunate to be here to experience it.